If you've been in the crypto industry for a while now, then you have probably needed to send someone crypto to their wallet. My crypto wallet is the one here. And as you may notice, in order for you to be able to use it, you just need to copy and paste it. If there is any difference in the way that wallet address looks, then the money will not get to its destination. So how can we be able to send money to different wallet addresses and not run the risk of sending money to the wrong wallet? Now, in this video, I want to show you an innovation in the space called unstoppable domains. Let's get those credits rolling. Unstoppable domains are a type of domain that actually uses blockchain technology in order to create human-like addresses that you can be able to use instead of the one I just showed you, which is this one here in the description below if you want to send some donations. But it uses crypto name server that in Web 2 is domain name server, which is how websites get their addresses. So the unstoppable domain is a domain that you can be able to buy and then map your wallet addresses to it so that when people are sending money to you, they have an easier one to remember. Like the one I currently use is the one on the screen where you can send me Ethereum or Polygon Matic. Then this is an address that you can be able to use over and over again without people ever having to ask you which is your wallet address. On Twitter, I've actually placed it as my name on the platform so that people can actually know which domain name I use. There are different benefits to unstoppable domains that can actually help as it is going mainstream. One of the things that I love about it is the fact that it is a one-time registration thing. For most websites, what you usually pay for is a yearly subscription or even up to 3 years like I do with Bluehost. But with unstoppable domains, you buy it once, you keep it forever. At the moment, I have 3, but even during this video, I'll actually show you the process of me buying my 3rd one. That's the first thing that I love about the plugin. The second is security. This is because the domain name service that they use is actually going to be on the blockchain. So you can actually be able to know that your wallet is going to be secure. Number 3, there are over 200 cryptocurrencies that you can actually place on your wallet so that you can receive money there instead of having every single time to send people your wallet address. The next thing is one of its biggest advantages, which is resistance to censorship. Like it would be on the traditional website space where you can actually be blocked by a government or a corporation. When you have your unstoppable domain where you can actually even build a website on the unstoppable domains, it is impossible for them to block you or censor you from just giving your opinion online. The interesting thing is it is still extremely early and they're probably one of the few sites where you can be able to build a website on the blockchain. So it is going to be really interesting to see what they do next. And then you can be able to get a .crypto, a .x, .dao, .nft. I'll show them all on the screen. These are things that you can be able to get so that you are preparing yourself for the new Web3 where ownership now lies with you. With about $5 to even about $100, you can be able to get your own unstoppable domain, and I'll place it in the description below where you can be able to sign up. You can use your card or your PayPal or even use crypto to be able to buy your unstoppable domain. Now we are on the site. What you'll actually be able to see is on unstoppable domains, you can be able to get an NFT domain. When people are sending you money, they can send to .zil, .crypto, .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, .x.888.nft.dao. What I want to do is I want to search for one that is just in my name, and then I'll click on search. So here I can be able to see one that is .x is $100, .crypto is $40, .coin is $40, .wallet is $20, .bitcoin $40, .888 is $20, .nft is $20, .dao is $20, .zil is $20. These ones look really good. I want to see if I can be able to check others here. So .x is the most expensive here. Let me look for one that I can probably be able to resell in future. That's Kenyans on Twitter. It's actually available. .crypto, .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, .888. All of them are still available. I'll choose .coin or .wallet. So let me choose a .crypto. Click on add to carts. It's already been added. I can go to cart. So at the very here it says continue to cart, and I can actually be able to see it. So here we are, Kenyans on Twitter .crypto. The order total, if I didn't have this, then it would have been $40. So I'd just need to actually pay for it. So I'll just say, do you live in the USA? No. And I can be able to check out. So for you, this is the process that you'll use. And I saw that you can actually be able to pay using crypto, or you can use your card. The card that I use is a People card, which I'll actually place in the description below so that you can be able to see it. And then what I'll actually do now is, because I had some promo credits, that's what I'll actually use. And then I'll pay with the promo credit. And then now I can be able, it says, thank you for your order. We've emailed your receipt. And then I'll say, go to my domains. And here, the next thing that will actually be required is to mint the domain. Let me show you what it means to mint. What is minting a domain? So minting is a process of registering a domain onto the blockchain via your cryptocurrency wallet to gain full custody of the domain. This means that nobody else has control over it except for the rightful owner. This is what makes them decentralized and ultimately unstoppable. Once minted, neither Unstoppable Domains nor any other entity is able to make changes to the domain or take it back from you. This is one of the wonderful things I like about this platform. Then we'll actually go here and click on free mint. These two are ones that I had bought before, and now we click on free mint. So you can actually be able to mint the domain on the Polygon blockchain, and it says the Polygon blockchain fees are covered by Unstoppable, delivering a cost-free user experience. This is wonderful because you are actually getting your domain minted for free. And you can click here, continue. Once minted, your wallet address will be set as the domain owner. So here I can be able to just say add new wallet, and I can be able to place either MetaMask or Coinbase, my Ether wallet, or Wallet Connect, or check other browser wallet. So that's what I'll click on here. So that's done. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the wallet address, and then it says the domain to be minted is Kenyans on Twitter.crypto. Domain owner will be assigned to the following wallet address. This is my MetaMask. And then I click on I understand. Of course, I'll have to hide that. And then two-factor authentication, confirm on your email. I'll just say send verification code. Go to my email and input there. Once that has happened, it tells me that the minting process has started. Then it actually tells me your domains are now being deployed into the blockchain and your crypto wallet. This transaction is being executed on the Polygon network. When the transaction is complete, your domains will show on the blockchain. So what we'll just do here is click on track progress. And then the mint domain is here, the domain name, and it's currently pending. So this takes just a few minutes to be able to complete, and then you can be able to have your domain. So once this is done, you'll just go under my domains, and then this should show that it has completed. and manage will actually show up. So what we'll actually do is check on another one that I had done before, click on manage. This is what you'll do now for your own domain name. And then it shows the domain owner address. This will be your address. And then you can edit the domain profile. You can use an NFT as your profile image or upload an avatar. Then you'll actually put in a display name, description of yourself, location, contact email, your public one, and a private one. So the public one, you add this to your domain's records on the blockchain. Only use an email you're comfortable making public forever. Then a private email. This allows the application that you log into with your domain to contact you. This is not shared publicly. And then you will do a humanity check, and you can actually put in your social accounts from Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, Discord, and Telegram. Once you have filled this in, just click on confirm changes. And then this is the exciting part about it, is that someone can actually be able to send you money to this address instead of having to send to this long address. So this is my MetaMask. So if someone wants to send me Ethereum, they don't have to send to this long address. They can actually just input this, and they can be able to send Ethereum as well as Matic as well. For Polygon Matic, you can actually choose the network. So either Polygon or BSC, which is BP20 Binance Smart Chain, or ERC20, which is Ethereum. And you can have that there so that people can actually send you money. Then if you want to have a Web3 website, you can actually have it. So this is pretty easy. All you'll just do is click here, create website, and you can actually be able to create. Then if you want to transfer the domain to someone else, if you actually want to send this to another address of yours, or you want to gift it to someone else, then you can actually just input their address here. And if you want to flip your domain, meaning that you want to actually sell it to someone else, then you can actually list it for sale on OpenSea, and you can actually place it on the platform Unstoppable Domains as well and sell it. In this next video, I'll actually show you why you should get into Binance Futures. I'll see you in the next one.